and welcome to my channel. I'm Patty and I go by Patty Macknits everywhere online. This is my YouTube channel and I call it my Handmade Lifestyle. And I love to share all my favorite hobbies with you. And one of those things happens to be gardening. I love plants. And today I'm at the Flower and Garden Show that is here in Virginia Beach. I'm working in the Master Gardener booth. This is my last few hours that I need to get, and my intern hours are done, and I will be able to go to the green full Master Gardener lanyard. So I'm very excited about that. So yeah, let's walk around. I haven't been to the garden show before. I'm excited about it, and I'm going to share it with you. And I'm going to show you some of this really cool building that I'm in. This building is close to the ocean front of Virginia Beach, and it has all kinds of different meetings and events and stuff. And right now I'm actually trying to get in my steps, so I took a walk upstairs. The light is really pretty, but let's head down to the convention center and see what's going on. Isn't the light fabulous up here? Look at that. Light is everything, honestly. Okay. I'm at the far end of the building and it's super quiet down here, and I don't know, it's almost like being in an airport, but the light in here is really good. So this would make an excellent photo location because the background is sort of cool if you get rid of the trash cans. Wow! This building is so cool. I don't know, it's almost like being in something out of Star Wars. I think what they're going for is that these things look like ships' hulls, and the openings are windows, and when you look out you see the floating dolphins. I'm guessing that's what it looks like to me. It's pretty cool. Yeah, they've done a nice job of putting different water gardens inside, and you can hear running water, and it's super nice. I'm gonna flip the camera and let you see the view from the balcony. Hey everybody, you wouldn't know this without me telling you, but it's day 2. Completely different atmosphere today. It's packed. There are several events going on in the building, so totally different, but still beautiful light. So yeah, let's go in and I'll get a little more footage of the Flower and Garden Show to share with you. And I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you inside. Oh, and today's the day that I do my last hours for my wait, where is it? Master Gardener intern hours. After today, I will finally be able to apply to be a full Master Gardener. Yay! Okay, let's go inside.